The Find My Network Not Available error on your AirPods Pro 3 prevents you from locating them using the Find My app, especially with precision finding. This issue primarily stems from initial software glitches in the AirPods Pro 3, released in September 2024. The good news is Apple has largely resolved it through iOS 18.4, released in June 2025, and subsequent updates. First, ensure your iPhone iPad is updated to the latest iOS. Then verify your AirPods are connected to your iCloud account. Go to Settings, Your Name, Find My, and ensure Find My is enabled. Weak Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or iCloud sync issues often trigger this error. Try signing out and back into iCloud, or resetting your network settings on your iPhone. Remember, your AirPods Pro 3 aren't standalone. They rely on a stable connection to Apple's cloud and device network for location services to work correctly. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try resetting your AirPods Pro 3 by holding the Setup button on the charging case until the status light flashes amber, then white. This can resolve firmware-related glitches. Another tip is to toggle airplane mode on your iPhone on and off, which can refresh Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connections. Apple's long-term trend involves improving UWB integration for more reliable precision finding. Future AirPods might even use AI-enhanced tracking for predictive location. For now, keep your devices updated and be aware that the Find My network relies on nearby Apple devices to relay location data. It won't work in areas without Apple devices nearby. Also, consider that low battery on the AirPods can disable tracking. If problems persist, contact Apple support for diagnostics. A minority of users may still experience issues due to regional network differences or outdated devices.